Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power at the breaker. This prevents shocks and protects wiring. Once the breaker is off, use a non-contact tester to verify the fixture has 0 volts. Don't assume. Then position a stable ladder and keep gloves, screwdriver, and a small bucket for screws nearby so you can work without returning up and down. While supporting the shade or trim with one hand, remove visible screws. This first action opens access, so you can see the mounting and wire connections clearly. Once the shade and screws are off, hold the fixture securely. It may still be heavy or awkward. You disconnect wires one pair at a time, black hot to black, white neutral to white, and the ground to ground, so you know which went where. Use wire nuts to cap each exposed conductor and wrap with electrical tape for extra security, then carefully tuck the capped wires back into the electrical box. Make sure mounting screws and bracket are visible. If they are stuck, apply steady pressure rather than jerking. Now remove the mounting bracket and any remaining screws. Inspect the sealing box for cracks or loose screws. This ensures future fixtures mount safely. If you're leaving the box empty, install an approved blank plate to close the opening. If replacing the light, follow the new fixture's instructions in reverse. Once everything is secured, restore power at the breaker and test the circuit. If the new fixture flickers or won't power, make sure the breaker is fully reset. Wires are tight, and the wall switch is functional before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.